Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse without chocolate. We'll start by understanding the core components. Every delicious mousse needs a flavorful base, a chosen flavoring, and something to make it light and airy. Think of fruit purees, creamy custards, or even rich dairy as your foundation. To achieve that perfect, stable texture, you'll often rely on setting agents like gelatin or its plant-based alternative, agar-agar. Getting these elements right is key to a successful, non-chocolate mousse. Now let's talk about bringing in those amazing flavors and textures. You can infuse your dairy base with delightful notes like fresh vanilla beans or bright citrus zest. For that signature airy quality, whipping heavy cream to stiff peaks is crucial. It adds significant volume and richness. Another fantastic technique is to gently fold in a prepared meringue, which will give your mousse an even lighter, more delicate, and cloud-like texture. These steps are vital for a truly exceptional dessert. Achieving the perfect set is the next critical step for your chocolate-free mousse. If using gelatin, remember to bloom it first in cold water for about 5 minutes. This ensures it dissolves smoothly without lumps. Once your base is ready and your aerated components like whipped cream or meringue are prepared, gently fold them together to maintain that lovely airiness. Finally, transfer your mousse to serving dishes and chill it for a minimum of 4 hours. This allows it to fully set and develop its ideal texture. Once you've mastered the basics, the possibilities for chocolate-free mousse are endless. Get creative with different fruit purees, perhaps a vibrant mango or a tangy raspberry. For a more sophisticated twist, consider incorporating coffee or matcha powder into your base for unique adult flavors. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to enhance your home with a smart speaker. It's perfect for setting the mood while you bake, or just enjoying your favorite tunes. Enjoy experimenting with these delightful variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.